my name is Sherri, and thank you for coming back to my channel. I have a YouTube channel called The Life of a Businesswoman, and I basically am just giving small tips and small videos how to start your own online business, your own small business, or become a freelancer or consultant like I am. So this particular video is discussing how to just, on a budget, get your own website. So you don't even have to go to the sites that many people on here talk about. Just go get you a regular basic blog page to start off with. Before you do anything, start off with something that's actually free and then go from there. So you want to cut the cost as much as possible. Do not get every single thing that people tell you to get up front until you make money from your own business. So just get a regular blog page, put your name on that blog page, have it linked to your email, have all the information that's needed to get started on there, something that you can control yourself without having to get anyone else to do it at first. And then once you grow, then you can hire people to make your product and your page look better. But just start off with something simple. Just go back the old school way and get a blog page that is free, Blogspot, something, WordPress, anything like that, and just get a free blog page. Put your company name on it, all your information, your email, and go from there. So thank you for watching. Please comment or leave any question you have, and watch for the next episode. Please be safe, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.